Why should you recycle? According to DoSomething.org, the average person generates nearly 4 pounds of trash every day, and 1.5 tons of solid waste per year. Today, I will persuade you to recycle by focusing on 3 main points: the benefits of recycling, the side effects of not recycling, and a plan of action to begin your recycling journey. First, I will talk about the 5 main benefits of recycling. The first benefit is it reduces carbon emission. Carbon emission, also known as greenhouse gases, is what's responsible for global warming. For every ton of paper recycled, that saves 17 whole trees. And 1 tree can remove as much as 250 pounds of carbon dioxide from the air. Second, it lessens the burden on landfills. Landfills are filling up each day. Coastal cities have been dumping their waste into the ocean for centuries. According to Forbes.com, the largest landfill in America, which is located in Las Vegas, Nevada, gets 9,000 tons of trash every day. That's 3,285,000 tons per year. Third, it improves groundwater quality. Most landfill sites don't treat their trash at all. They just throw it in the ground and bury it. Most of the trash that is put in these landfills aren't biodegradable or environmentally friendly. So the contaminants in these materials get into our water supplies through rain and other landfill runoffs. They get into our ponds, rivers, streams, and lakes. Fourth, it increases energy efficiency. According to MidCityScrap.com, companies that use recycled aluminum save 95% of energy in the production of new aluminum products compared to companies who use raw materials. Scientists have shown that by just recycling 1 pound of steel, enough energy can be saved to run a 60-watt light bulb all day. And lastly, recycling is good business. Processing plants and industrial factories can save a lot of money, energy, and material costs by using recycled materials instead of raw natural resources. Recycling helps reduce solid waste costs and can become a regular stream of revenue when scrap metals, plastics, and other materials are recycled on a regular basis. And according to StarkState.com, recycling in the U.S. is a $236 billion a year industry, and more than 56,000 recycling and reuse enterprises employ 1.1 million workers nationwide. Now I will talk about the side effects of not recycling and ignoring the problem. First, according to eHow.com, by 2060, the United States will be producing nearly 1 billion tons of trash a year. The amount of trash the U.S. produces has tripled in the past 50 years. Also, the oceans will overflow with trash. As I stated earlier, coastal cities have been disposing of their waste in oceans for centuries. Also, the water becomes too polluted to drink. With added runoff from landfills, the water will become undrinkable by humans and other wildlife. Resources will become scarce. Because of these resources becoming scarce, the cost of everything will go up. And lastly, but not least, ozone depletion. The ozone layer, which is responsible for protecting us from the sun's ultraviolet rays, would be destroyed by the greenhouse gas emissions. Now I will talk about my plan of action. First, you can get rid of your regular light bulbs and get compact fluorescent light bulbs. Also, at night and during the day when you're not using your computers, you can turn them off. And then you can recycle glass. Instead of throwing away old jars or pickle jars, you can clean them out and recycle them and reuse them another time. Also, hang dry. You can hang dry clothes, like your favorite t-shirt. They'll last longer that way anyways. You can use one less napkin at meal times. And instead of washing on hot water, you can wash on warm or cold water. By doing this, you'll save the equivalency of 100,000 barrels of oil. Also, you can use both sides of paper. I'm a high schooler, so I'm guilty of using one side and throwing it away, or not using both sides while taking notes. Also, you can rethink buying bottled water. While at your house, instead of drinking a bottle of water, you can get a cup down and fill it up with water. Or if you need to go out with water, you can get a reusable plastic bottle. Also, you can turn off the water while brushing your teeth. If you do this, you can save 5 gallons every time you brush your teeth. You can also take a shorter shower, or you can use cruise control. Or going down the interstate, you can put it on cruise control and save money, gas, and help recycle natural resources. The problems caused by not recycling can easily be solved. Today, along with supporting evidence, I've given the benefits of recycling, the side effects of not recycling, and a plan of action. Some complex problems have complex solutions. Luckily, recycling is a complex problem with a very simple solution. Things as simple as recycling a can or turning off lights can help in colossal ways. If everyone would do one environmentally friendly thing a day, this world could become a safer place to live, not only for us, but for generations to come.